Go.
All right, is it working?
Yes.
Okay, so we're back with another week's installment of questions, and we're gonna start with two questions that you all gave us on Sunday. So the first question I'm gonna ask Toby. Toby,
Yes.
do we ever stop worshiping?
The question, do we ever stop worshiping? It's a good one. I've seen a place in the Bible where it says that you could worship ceaselessly. And I've heard about Christian pilgrims who walk around and actually repeat the Jesus prayer with every breath for as long as they're awake. And that would be one way to worship ceaselessly. I've never actually done that for more than maybe a couple of hours at a time, and that was pretty interesting. But I don't worship that way all the time. But I want to kind of use an analogy with water because, after all, for our upcoming camping trip, the theme is going to be, is God like water? How is God like water? And here's what I think. I think that when we go to meeting for worship, it's like drinking a glass of water. It's like, I'm thirsty. I'm going to get some water, put it in a glass, and glug, 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 and it will feel great. And going to meeting for worship is like that. You're just like, I'm going to do this. But if you think about it, even if you're not drinking a glass of water, even if you're not at meeting for worship, even if you're not drinking a glass of water, you still have water in your body all the time, because otherwise you would die. And sometimes water just falls out of the sky when you didn't expect it to. It's called rain. Have you seen it? And there's water in streams and in rivers and in lakes. And there's even water in the air that we breathe, which is water vapor, not liquid water. And so, in fact, water is with us all the time. And in the same way, you can just remember that. And in the same way, remember that the Spirit is with you all the time. And then you're kind of worshiping all the time. That's my answer.